All right, answer all three of the following. Write the answers in the simplest form. It says, given the functions defined by, we've got f of x and g of x, determine f of 1. It looks like we do composition and subtraction. All right. So f of 1 is just taking the f function, and everywhere there's an x, put in 1. So 3 over 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Well, that's just negative 3. The next one is composition, and they are wanting us to take the g function and compose it with f. So we're going to take our f function. So f of g of x is 3 over, where the x is, I'm going to plug 2 over x. And then bring it over your minus 2. That is all I need you to do. That is it composed. You could keep going. I mean, it can go from there. You could go, okay, we want to find the common denominator in the bottom. So that's 3 over, that would be 2 minus 2x, all of that over x. And then if you flipped it, would be 3x over 2 minus 2x. So those are your, options of what you can do. I would just leave it like this and be done. The next one is taking the f function and subtracting the g function. All right. So what we need to do is find the common denominator, which is going to be x minus 2. This one is missing x, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x. This one's missing the x minus 2 in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom by x minus 2. So this becomes 3x. Distribute that negative 2 over x minus 2, so minus 2x plus 4 over x minus 2. And now let's just simplify my numerator. So that's x plus 4 over x minus 2. You can leave it like that, or you could go ahead and distribute your denominator. Both are correct. Either one. Okay. I want to do one more, maybe 2 more. We'll do 2 more and then we'll go to the next video. We're going to do the difference quotient. That is provided to you as well on the exam. So let's go with, we're going to take 3, and then where the x is, I'm going to put x plus h squared minus 5 times x plus h plus 4. Minus, because here's the minus, and now we're going to rewrite, put it in parentheses or brackets, the entire function. And then all of this is over h. Do not distribute this 3. You have to do the x plus h squared first. So I'm doing that. Alright, I've squared my x plus h. I'm going to distribute my negative 5 over my binomial. So negative 5x minus 5h. Bring down my plus 4. Distribute my negative to my trinomial. So negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 4. And then all of this is over h. Don't forget that. Now I can distribute that I can distribute that 3. So 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared. And I'm just bringing everything down. All of it over h. Alright, let's simplify it. Gone, gone. 6xh plus 3h squared, gone, gone, minus 5h, gone, gone. And each of these are over h. It's easiest if you do this. Reduce it, 6x. Reduce it, plus 3h. Reduce it, minus 5. There is my difference quotient. Last one for this video. Take the function and find its inverse. So to find the inverse, we need to substitute y for f of x. Step 1. Step 2 is to switch places with my x's and y's. So x is equal to y cubed plus 3. Next, you need to solve for y. Subtract 3 from both sides. Alright, we need to get rid of that cube. So I'm going to take my cube root on both sides. And y is equal to the cube root of x minus 3. Last step. I don't ask for the y, I ask for the inverse. So the inverse of x is the cube root of x minus 3. All right. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.